will I move on?
What will I do for a living?
Who will I become?
Not the easiest set of questions for any of us to answer, but even more so when you're a ward of the state with little to no familial support. But take heart, because a great wave of change is happening, ensuring that transitioning wards of the state are equipped to successfully integrate in society. It's thanks to the Child Development Agency, which has organized a National Exiting Care Expo. The second staging of the annual event brought over 800 wards in the 16 to 18 age group to the Jamaica Conference Center in Kingston.
We firmly believe in the concept of transitional support to you, our young people who have been with us over a period of time. These waves of change will create oceans of opportunities for you as you prepare for independent living.
And so the young people were offered a range of services from government and private entities, educational institutions and more to help with their future development. Career and finances captured a lot of their attention.
A good rule of thumb, if you did not budget for it, you have no authority to spend on it. Financial independence, you can do whatever you want, money is not an issue. So if you want to get to that destination, you have to be disciplined and you have to start with making up a budget firstly and sticking to the budget.
When it comes down to self-exploration, you will examine who you are as an individual. Find out what is your personality type and see whether or not the personality that you basically have will, enhance the career that you basically would want to venture into.
A motivationally charged speech from Sagicor executive Mark Chisholm was also well received by the wards.
Grew up in a garden, concrete jungle, 1 bedroom, 5 children, 1 mother. Don't know my father, know him later on. They say if your home broken, you are not broken. Your home might be broken, but you are not broken. My dream was to break, and that is what I'm talking about. You know what I want to break? The cycle of poverty in your families. When you look through the rearview mirror, what happened in the past is small, and what you're looking at through the windshield is larger. So the rear view is small, so your past is small. Even if something happened to you last night, and it has carried with it negative effects, and you carry the negative baggage, and you carry it, and you carry it, and you carry it, you know what baggage is? It keeps you down. It keeps you down, it's heavy. Let go of your baggages. Every single person in this room have dreams. So when you get home, first place to start is write down what that dream is. Write down a goal and write down some action items. What it is that you need to do to achieve the goal. And I say every time you complete one of the actions, the action list that you're going through, tick it off and measure yourself.
Equipped, empowered and ready to take on life are now the positions of these transitioning wards of the state. Ready to take on the waves of change, ready to swim in the oceans of opportunities.